welcome to Jack to Jeep. So I met this young man, his name's Andrew. He's at the RV park where I'm camping. I'm gonna actually let him have a little dream here. He's gonna go drive my Jeep. What do you think, Andrew?
Sounds awesome.
He's 16, so he went and grabbed his permit. He's gonna hop in with a parent and he's gonna go for a quick ride. So anyway, welcome to Jack to Jeep.
Daddy, come on. Awesome.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
Hey fam, welcome to Jack to Jeep. So today I'm in Montana at the Polson near Flathead Lake, camping in a KOA, and I just want to give a quick shout out to this young lady. Her name is Megan.
Hello, I'm Megan from Pip and Ebby, and I make easy, delicious recipes, so you should check out my channel too. You can find healthy dinners, desserts, all kinds of yummy stuff. So it's nice to meet you, Steve.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Megan. Appreciate it.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
Hey fam, as Andrew's out driving the Jeep, he's actually coming around the corner. There he is. He's out driving the Jeep. We're gonna go ahead and look at his third row seat made by Best Tops. This guy has it, and a custom roll bar in his Jeep.
What's up, channel?
This is my third row. So I'm from Alabama, so I redneck this Jeep up a little bit. I have 4 daughters, and as you know, if you're a Jeep lover, you can't fit 6 people in a Jeep. And so I got my head together and found this third row seat. So it's pretty awesome. It's a fold and tumble seat. It'll go forward, and then I have little clips that hook it on right here. Got just a lap belt in the back. And then the thing that I was trying to figure out is with my kids sitting back here, there was nothing to cover them. And so I found this extension for the roll cage. I think Rock Hard makes this, and it bolts in to the existing frame so that when they're riding back here in the back, all their noggins are nice and covered. And so it's fun. So if you got a bunch of kids or you got a bunch of people that you want to tow around in your Jeep, there are solutions in an afternoon and some sweat, and you can have a third row in your Jeep, and it's pretty fun. And a lot of people ask me about it all the time everywhere we go. It's cool, it's fun.
What price point are we talking here?
So really not bad. So for the seat, I think we paid like $360, and then for the roll cage extender, it was about the same. I think this cage was about $400. So you can do this whole project for under $1,000. Amazingly so worth it to do it. So yeah, under $1,000 and you can have all this done.
And this does go with the fastback, not the traditional, so it's for the JK.
Correct.
Now, do you still have access to your storage here?
Yeah, so access to the storage is under here. So I can still get to everything underneath. So no problem there.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a fun modification. Now I will say, like back here, this is really just set up for kids and stuff to ride back here. I mean, I can fit back here, but you're not going to want to ride a very long way sitting back here. But if you're going on trails or you're doing something for an afternoon, this is a perfect solution. So you can take your family with you.
Is this a storage zipper?
Nope, this is just so that the cover can come off, to pull it off. Actually, you know what I just discovered? This is storage.
Okay, it is storage.
I've never unzipped it till right now. It's even better. I'm gonna send them more money.
Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, not a problem, not a problem. So Andrew, how was it? How was it?
Awesome. Thank you
Was it
so
awesome?
much.
Cool.
Yes, it was.
I'll flex it for you in a minute so you can
Awesome.
see how much it can flex.
Awesome.
All right.
There was like a tiny little rock on the hill. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna hit it. Oh, wait.
You could have.
I did actually.
All right, and what's your channel?
Hootens and Homies, HOOTENS and Homies. Come and check us out, and you're gonna see this guy on our channel too. So it's gonna be great.
All right, guys, thanks again for watching Jack to Jude. And don't forget to click subscribe. Hit that bell, that way you can be notified of any new content. Also, check out Hoot and Homies up here. You might just like it. Take it easy.